Terror in the air. Apple AirDrop caused a threat on board a packed United flight after passengers received a photo of a gun. Oh, right. Because a lot of people have the open AirDrop thing. And then anyone can just drop. I remember hearing
It's just an image of a gun. It's like, what?
It's not, I mean, it's probably just a kid pulling a prank or something, but the bizarre incident took place on Thursday when the United Flight 2167 to Orlando was getting ready to depart from San Francisco. Passengers were shocked. Yeah, I mean, people are going to be very upset about that, you know. I remember hearing about music festivals using AirDrop as like a marketing tactic where they could just like drop in promotional materials and things like this unexpectedly. I don't know. That makes me a little nervous. I don't want just anybody sending me anything personally.
Yeah.
I've had enough experience on social media. If I ever have any messaging open, I don't want to be receiving these things randomly.
It feels invasive.
Yeah, I didn't ask for this. So the incident caused a 3-hour delay as officials had to evacuate and search the aircraft as well as recheck. Imagine all the passengers sitting beside each other having to look at one another and be like, did you get that? You saw that message? Because at some point, they're going to have to communicate. And you're going to look for anybody else who's on iOS, has an iPhone or an iPad or something, and I guess a MacBook. Like, did you get that? Did you see that post? We got to let somebody know. We got to say something. Probably, maybe the pilot had an iPhone too. He probably got it.
It's like, you can lock that cabin door there.
The prankster was eventually found, a teenager who had used Apple's AirDrop to share images of an airsoft gun.
But those airsoft guns look really
absolutely they
realistic.
They look completely real. I wonder why. Once you're going to share the image, maybe it was an accident. No, they said prankster. I don't know, man. I don't know. What should the punishment be for something like this? No more
death.
Easy, man.
No death. I'm just joking.
No more flights on United. I don't know.
Yeah.